Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Kalshi taking forever to load? Markets not showing, or your portfolio just spins and never updates? Here are three iPhone fixes that speed it up immediately. First, go to your settings app and then tap on the airplane mode toggle to turn it on. Wait for about 15 seconds and turn it back off. This completely resets your iPhone's network connection and forces Kalshi to start a fresh sync with its servers. This one step fixes slow loading most of the time after the network resets. Open Kalshi app and then pull down on the main screen to manually trigger a data refresh. If it's still slow, go to your settings app, then scroll down and find Kalshi in the list of apps or just directly search for it. Tap on it and make sure background refresh is switched on. Without this, Kalshi starts loading from zero every single time you open it, which feels very slow. Also, in the settings, go to iPhone storage and check your storage bar. If the storage is nearly full, apps run much slower. Offload unused apps to free space quickly. So all you've got to do is turn on airplane mode, reset it, pull down to refresh Kalshi, background app refresh on, free up storage, and that's it. Kalshi will load fast again. Subscribe for more.